Hello, I'm in a 2014 Hyundai Sonata Hybrid, and I'm going to show you today how to set your time as well as calendar and military time if you choose. So first, you'll start the vehicle, and then wait for a few moments for it all to prompt on. And then click through all this if you decide. I don't know that it's even necessary, but we're going to go to Setup. Oh, there we go, finished loading, agree. So now Setup, and then your clock setup, and then in here you can switch to whatever style you prefer, your military time if you like, and then over here you can toggle up and down as desired for the time. You can auto sync it to the GPS time if you choose, but that's it. And then obviously daylight savings on or off. It's all touchscreen, and done when you're finished. And it should auto save and show here as well as up here for the clocks. I hope this was helpful, and hope you have a great day.